Hi beautiful people, today I'll be showing you the 3 minutes facelift acupressure technique using cotton tips. This is what I do every day and it is effective if you do on a regular basis. There are so many anti-aging benefits about acupressure, but the number one reason I love facial acupressure is this technique stimulates the skin's ability to produce its own collagen. That is what plumps the skin and make it firmer and smooth wrinkles. Unlike Botox or surgery, acupressure won't give you a tight, frozen or pulled back appearance. The results are softer and more natural. This is what we're looking for, right? There are 6 acupressure points. So all the points, press it for 3 seconds, 3 times. So if you are young, like in your 20s, you wouldn't see big difference. But as we get older, this little healthy daily technique will make you much younger, look fresher, and more beautiful. Please go and grab the cotton tips. So, are you ready? Okay, the first point lies above inner corners of the eyes. Here. So on here. Press it for 3 seconds, 3 times. Well done. GB1 lies on the outer side of the eyes. Here. SJ18 lies below the cheekbone. The cheekbones here. LI20 lies on the corner of the nose. ST4 lies on the corner of the mouth. Next, SJ21 point is when you open your mouth slightly, it located in the depression. This right here. Okay. Thank you for watching. You have a lovely day and I will see you soon. Subscribe my channel. See you. Bye.